Assalamu alaikum, myself Arisha Mahmood, and in this video we'll be learning how to create an assignment on LMS. So for this we will be first of all logging into our official LMS IDs and coming into the course in which you want to upload the assignment. You'll be seeing this option on the very top of turn editing on, and after turning on this option you can go into any week in which you want to create the assignment. For instance, you will move to week 2, and in the very last you will see this option of add an activity or resource. After clicking this option you will get a box like this from where you can select the first option of assignment. After clicking on this, you can name the assignment anything related to your topic. For example, I am just simply naming it as assignment 1, and you can add a brief description in this box related to your assignment which you want to give to your students prior to performing or writing the assignments. Later on you can also add an additional file which can be the questionnaire of your assignment. For instance, you can select the file from your desktop. For example, I have already created a file over here, and I'm uploading it now over here. So as you all can see, the file has been uploaded, and now next comes the availability. For the availability, we have seen that the submissions will be allowed from 14th of October 2022, and the last date will be 21st of October. For the cutoff rate, you'll be allowing it to allow this late submissions from the side of the students, and for this, since our due date was 21st, let's make our cut date 23rd of October. And remind me to grade by will be a simple reminder which will be just reminding you when that your submissions have been received, and you are allowed to grade them now. So for the submission types, we have two options: the online text and the file submissions. For the online text, you'll be selecting it and enabling the word limit. For instance, if you provide 150, the students will not be able to write more than 150 words. However, if you want the file submissions, you can simply unselect it from here and then move towards the file submissions. You can select the maximum number of uploaded files, and then lastly there will be this maximum submission size which is which has the maximum limit of 3 MBs. And if you think that your file will be larger than 3 MBs, you can simply extract the link from your Google Drive. Now for the accepted file types, you'll be selecting all file types from here and saving the changes. And now since our assignment has been created, we will be saving it and displaying it on our page. And as you can see that an assignment has been created, and to see that how the students will be able to view it, you can switch your role to a student from here, and we can see the assignment has been created over here. Now we are not being able to upload an assignment because its timeline has not yet began, and now you can again return back to your normal role. And over here we can see that as you'll be receiving the assignments, you'll be seeing this number increasing, and eventually you'll be able to grade them from this icon. So that was all about the assignments. Thank you so much.